watching Finance with Pradeep on HiBiz. And here we are sitting with Pradeep sir, who has 14 years of experience in the field of finance and investment. I would like to understand, I would like to know that what should be my focus? Where should I invest? Should it be direct investment like stocks, or should it be something like mutual funds that you explained, which is the indirect investment? And what are the benefits, advantages, and disadvantages?
Absolutely. That's a very good question. And, the direct investments like stocks and real estate, should we go for that? Should we go for indirect investments like mutual funds? This is a question that many investors ask, especially investors getting started on their investing journey, because you have some money, maybe you have 5,000 rupees, 10,000, 50,000, 1 lakh that you want to start investing with. And you have so many options, right? You go to the bank manager says, sir, why don't you invest in this mutual fund? Someone else says, sir, why don't you buy this insurance policy? Or, there are different options and people tend to get confused. So let me answer this question by telling you that direct and indirect investment vehicles have their own advantages and disadvantages. First, let me explain to you what are the characteristics of a direct investment vehicle. So when you are directly investing in any investment vehicle, let us say you are buying a particular stock or you are buying a piece of real estate, you have more control on the investment, right? If you purchase in a stock of HDFC Bank, then you hold that particular stock, right? So tomorrow it is your decision whether you want to sell it tomorrow morning, get back your cash, or you want to hold it for some more time, or you want to take a loan against those shares. So there is more control when you are investing directly. Similarly, if you have made an investment in real estate directly, that means either you have purchased a piece of land or you have purchased an apartment or an office complex or whatever it is, you have control over that directly, right? So more control on your investment is the benefit of investing directly. But when you go for an indirect investment, suppose you have invested 1,000 rupees in a mutual fund, right? You have no say, 100% say on where the mutual fund will invest the money, because the decision on where the entire pool of money is invested is taken by the mutual fund manager. Of course, like based on the objective of the mutual fund, is it growth objective or preservation of wealth objective? That much based on that you can have a fair understanding. But you don't have a direct control on where the money is going, because the professional money manager is not just managing your 1,000 or 10,000 rupees. He is managing the investment made by hundreds or thousands of investors worth thousands of crores of rupees. So it is his call, his decision. So for people asking me this question, similarly, if you are investing in a real estate investment trust, or you are investing in some company that is again investing in a real estate project, you directly have no control on where the money is being allocated. So less control is one challenge with indirect investments. But if you are a beginner who is starting on your investing journey, specifically in the stock markets, you don't have much experience, by investing in indirect financial vehicles, you can take advantage of the expertise of these professional money managers. But at the same time, it is very important to select the right people with the right expertise. So when you are trusting other people with money, that means when you are indirectly investing, sometimes you might fall prey to some people who don't have the right kind of expertise. So selecting the right mutual fund house, if you do that, then you can leverage, you can benefit from the advantage of the mutual fund manager. Only challenge is, because they are managing the portfolio for you, they are going to charge you a small annual fees, that maintenance fees. But personally, I would say each and everyone, specifically for students at Fortune Academy, once they get trained on how to analyze stocks, how to identify good companies, how to spot investing opportunities, I would always recommend that they reach a stage where they are able to directly invest, because you have more control.
Right. Yeah. So viewers, after seeing the episode, if you have any questions regarding finance, investment, mutual funds, stocks, real estate, you can always ask Pradeep sir. What you have to do is follow HiBiz and write down your questions or comments in the comment section of our channel. Thank you.